How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and doing studies also. I welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Parvati Chogule, your first grade English teacher. Students, in grammar textbook, we were seeing nouns, isn't it? Yes. So today we will see nouns 3. What is the name of our lesson? Nouns 3. See here, nouns 3, singular and plural. Look at the picture. How many of each animal do you see? Say them aloud. Means what we have to do in this? We have to count the number of animals in this picture and then we have to write here. Okay. See, one example is done for us. 5 cows. 5 cows. See here. How many cows we are able to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the next one is sheep. What we have to do? Yes, we have to count the number of sheep. Okay, what we have to do? We have to count number of sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many sheep are there in this picture? 4. So, what we will write here? 4 sheep. 5 cows. 4 sheep. Next one. See what we have to count? Horse. How many horse you are able to see in this picture? Only 1. So, what we will write here? 1 horse, 5 cows, 4 sheep, 1 horse. Now, we have to count number of rabbits in the picture. How many? What we have to do? We have to count the number of rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Yes. How many rabbits are there in the picture? 3. So, 3 rabbits. Next, hens. We have to count hens. 1, 2. So, how many hens are there in the picture? 2 hens. Next, dogs. We have to count dogs in the picture. 1, 2, 3. How many dogs? 3 dogs. So, here 3 dogs. Next, cats. We have to count cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many cats are there in the picture? 4 cats. Now, squirrels. What we have to count? Squirrels. Are you able to see squirrels in the picture? Yes, they are here. 1, 2. So, how many squirrels are there? 2 squirrels. Next, duck. What we have to count? We have to count ducks in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ducks? Yes, there are 6 ducks in the picture. How many ducks? 6 ducks in the picture. Now we will write here. See, sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sheep. Write here F-O-U-R. 4 sheep. Okay. Next, horse. 1 horse. O-N-E, 1 horse. Next, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits. THREE. 3 rabbits. Next, hens. 1, 2. TWO. 2. 2 hens. Next, dogs. 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs. THREE. 3 dogs. Next, we have to count cats. Where are the cats? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats. FOUR. 4 cats. Squirrels. 1, 2. 2 squirrels. Ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks. Okay. 6 ducks. So, in this way we have filled these blanks by seeing the number of animals in the picture. Now take down in your textbook, children. It is page number 14. Do it fast. Have you done? Now we will move towards the next. Let us read. What we have to do? Yes, we have to read. Read the stories. Pay attention to the underlined words and the words in the italic and the words in the italic. We have to read the story. See here. Now we will start. The kids are playing in the park. Who are playing? Kids are playing in the park. One boy is playing on a slide and one boy is playing on the slide. One girl is playing with hula hoop. Hula hoop is a round circle. Okay. Like this. One girl is playing with hula hoop. 2 kids are playing with a ball and these 2 kids are playing with a ball. So what we have to do? Pay attention to the underlined words. Means these are the underlined words. Kids. Okay. And here also kids. Next. And words in the italic and the words in the italic. Here park and boy, girl. Okay, these are the words with the italic. Once again we will read. The kids are playing in the park. One boy is playing on a slide. One girl is playing with a hula hoop. 2 kids are playing with a ball. Okay, 2 kids are playing with a ball. Next, there are 2 lions in the zoo. How many lions are there in the zoo? 2 lions in the zoo. There is a giant panda. And what? Giant panda. There are 2 giraffes. 2 giraffes. And then there are 3 ducks. And then there are how many ducks? 3 ducks. 1, 2, 3. 3 ducks and a monkey. And a monkey. There are few trees too. And there are few trees too. In this, we have to pay attention to the underlined words and the italic words. These are the underlined words and these are the italic words. There are 2 lions in the zoo. There is a giant panda. There are 2 giraffes. And then there are 3 ducks. with a monkey, and then there are 3 ducks and a monkey. There are few trees too, and there are few trees too. Now, these 2 stories we have read. Now see, all the words in italics are 1 in number. Means what? In this, panda, zoo, monkey, these are 1 in number. How many in number? 1 in number. They are singular nouns, and they are singular nouns. Means the things or anything which is 1, we call it as a singular nouns. What we call it as? We call it as singular nouns. And more were in the earlier. See here. In this, kid, boy, here park, 1 in number, 1 boy, 1 in number, here girl, they are 1 in number. Okay. Now, these were the italic words. Now see, 1 singular noun. Whatever the things around us are 1, we call it as a singular noun. This is a marker. This is 1 in number, isn't it? This is 1 in number. So, we call it as singular noun. So, what we call? We call it as singular noun. Okay, this is 1 means singular. This is 1 means it is singular. See, here are some more singular nouns. Car, book, bus, phone, tap, bag. Okay. Now this was about singular noun. This is 1 marker. So it is a singular. Next, all the underlined words are more than 1 in number, and others means which we have underlined that are more than 1 in number, isn't it? See, for example here, 3 ducks. How many? 3 ducks, more than 1. So it is 3 ducks. Here see, all the underlined words are more than 1 in number. They are plural nouns, and if we have the things more than 1, we call it as plural nouns. What we call? We call it as plural nouns. See, all the underlined words are more than 1 in number. They are plural nouns. And what are they? They are plural nouns. Example, see here, few trees, more than 1. So they have used few trees. Here 3 ducks, more than 1. So we have said ducks. Okay. Next, 2 giraffes, more than 1 giraffes. So 2 lions. How many lions? 2 lions. Okay. And here also in the previous story, what are the underlined words? Kids. More than 1 child is there, so we call it as kids. Okay. Now, next we go here. See, more than 1. If we have the things around us more than 1, we call it as plural nouns. And what we call it as? We call it as plural nouns. Here are some more examples of plural nouns. Cars. Here 1 car, more than 1 cars. Book, more than one book, it is books. Bus, more than one bus, it is buses. Here, phone, more than one phone, phones. Tap, one tap and more than one, we call it as taps. Here, bag, only one bag. More than one, we call it as bags. Okay, we call it as bags. See here, we often add s. What we do? We often add s to a singular noun to make it plural. To a singular noun, if we want to make a singular noun to plural, we add s. What we do? We add s. With some nouns, we add es to make their plurals. And what we do? For some, we add es. And for some, we add es to make their plural forms. Okay. For example, see here, it is given. We will write here, book, B-O-O-K, book, singular, and then what will be the plural form? It is B-O-O-K-S, books. Okay, what we have did? We added S. Book, books. Here book, books. Next, car. And we added to make it plural S. Car, cars. Okay. So in this way, these are the some examples of singular noun and plural nouns. So, students, now we will see more examples. What we will see? We will see more examples. See here, one, singular, plural. Singular nouns are one in number. What is the number of singular nouns? One. An apple. Are you able to see more apples here? No, only one. So, an apple. A book. How many books? Only one. So, a book. A bird and a bird. So, these are one in number. Singular nouns are one in number. How many in number? Singular nouns are one in number. And see, plural nouns are more than one in number, and plural nouns are more than one in number. Isn't it? See, how many apples? 2. So, we say apples. Books, more than one. So, we call it as books. And here, birds, more than one bird. So, it is birds. See, apples, books, birds. Now, how to make plural nouns? How to make plural nouns? Means from singular to plural. Add s to a singular noun. What we have to do? We have to add s to the singular noun. Ships, words, shirts, friends, papers, carrots, monkeys, noses, balls, horses, birds, lines. What we have did? We have added s to a singular noun. This is singular noun. When we add s to it, it becomes plural. What it becomes? It becomes plural. Okay. And how to make plural nouns? And one more. First we have seen add s. Next, add es to a singular noun. And also we make from singular noun to plural by adding es. Peaches, switches, matches, potatoes, dishes, tomatoes, glasses, boxes, quizzes, buses and heroes. Okay. In this way we have seen how to make from singular noun to plural noun by adding es. So once again we will see it carefully. Singular nouns are 1 in number. Singular nouns are 1 in number. An apple, a book, a bird. These are 1 in number. What is their number? Only 1. So next, see, plural nouns are more than 1 in number and plural nouns are more than 1 in number. These are the examples how to make from singular noun to plural by adding s at the end. Ships, papers, balls, horses, carrots, words, shirts, monkeys, birds, lines, noses, friends. And the next, see here how to make plural nouns by adding es. Peaches, switches, matches, potatoes, dishes, tomatoes, quizzes, boxes, glasses, buses and heroes. Okay, now we will see. What we will see? I will show you the things by how to make singular to plurals. See here children, what I am having in my hand? This is a pen. How many pens I have? Only 1. So it is a singular. And when we have more than 1, we say it as plural and they are more than 1. So it is pens. What we call first pen. When we have only 1 in number, we call it as pen. And when we have more than 1, we call it as pens. We call it as pens. Okay. Now see, this is a bead. What is this? This is a bead. Okay. When we have single, only 1, we call it as bead. But when we have more than 1, how many beads? They are more than 1. So we call it as beads. What we call? We call it as beads. Okay. Now one more example. This is a ball. What is this? This is a ball. And if we have more than 1, we call it as balls. Okay, we call it as balls. This is a one ball more than one, it is balls. So these were the examples. These were the examples of singular and plural nouns. Now we will solve the questions based on the singular noun and plural nouns. Okay. See here what we have to do. Look at the pictures given below. Write their names in the right column, and we have to write the names in their right column. Okay. Look at the pictures given below. Write their names in the right column. See here, singular nouns in this column we have to write and plural nouns in this column. See, train. Where is a train? This is a train. Only one. So singular noun. Train. Now here it is a key. So we write it as key. K-E-Y. Key. Okay. K-E-Y. Key. Then next one, it is key is a single, so it comes under a singular nouns. Next one is flower. How many flowers do we see in the picture? Only one. So it will come under singular nouns. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Next is, where do we see single things? Yes, it is a bottle. Bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. Okay. Bottle. How many bottles do we see? Only one. So it comes under singular nouns. Next one is driver. What is driver? D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Next one is duck, and it is one in number, so it comes under singular noun. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. So in this way we have written the singular nouns. How many things we see single, that we have written here. Okay. Now next is plural nouns. Means what we should see? More than one. Yes. Here dolls is done for us. Next, how many cars? Two. More than one. So it comes C-A-R-S. Cars. Okay. Next, how many rabbits do we see in the picture? Two. More than one. So R-A-B-B-I-T-S. Rabbits. Next, how many animals? More than one. So we write A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Next, more than one, house. More than one, what will come? Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. And the last one is pencil. If we have one, we say it as pencil. But when we have more than one, it is pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils. Now take down in your textbook. So students, Today we have seen nouns 3, that is singular and plural form. Okay. If the things we have only one, we call it as singular nouns, and more than one, we say it as plural nouns. So the further part of this chapter we will continue in the next class.